nice session with Suhas by considering the fact of that he was recognized as the world's youngest CEO. Moving on, the session which we have designed, the art of start and restart. This session is basically contemplated like a month back by considering a lot of startups coming in India, one, and secondly by considering that a lot of people face challenges while managing their startup. And beyond a point, managing to your startup, you have one more concern: how you can make it more sustainable, right? So that are the challenges which is faced by the young entrepreneurs, and I can see there are a lot of young people sitting over here, and most of you would be going for entrepreneurship in the near future. So by considering all those points, the broad view in this session will try to raise those points, or Venki will provide you those inferences that how his journey has been as an entrepreneur who has started off, who was about to he has faced so many challenges while managing his startup. And then there was a point when he reached to a pinnacle of opening 100 franchisee of his own company. So I just request Venki. Venki, we just want to like at initial go. I don't really want to introduce you because I've done that in a past session in chat changing tomorrow in Jaipur. So I really request you to give your introduction to all these people, because we have the session was initially was the art of start, only about starters. But I've really want that you share your story in which you started off. You faced challenges, and there was a time when you were about to just on the closing side. So the broad view is over to you, and I just request you to give a broad sharing of your own story. Yeah.
I'll be running through my presentation and give a small talk once we are ready. Basically, we started in 2004. I'm a Tamilian but born and brought up in Mumbai. Unfortunately, that India has gone too much into it. Besides potato, even besan. Besan, besan? Gram? What are the famous gram stories in India? In South, what is it? Mysore Pak, Sri Krishna, what is it? Gram. In North, what is it? Son Papdi, what is it? Haldiram. Haldiram he picked up gram, besan. He put it inside the oil. He put some spices and masala. It became a 1,000 crore empire, isn't it? Haldiram ne besan ko tel mein dubaya, thoda sa masala lagaya. Besan edtu konja ennela pota, konja masala pota, and enna achade 1,000 crore empire. That's a thought process that we all have. So fast food, finger food, mobile food, potato, besan and spices. Can you go to the next? Why brand name Goli? Whenever I was doing, can you go behind here? Why brand name Goli? A lot of my friends were from advertising background, and whenever I said I want to give an Indian name, people say, Venki, you have to be English. English is aspirational, universal. You all have something called Nalli Sari in Chennai? Nalli Sari, Julie Sari, can you understand? Can you call Haldiram's Bhujia as Sam's Bhujia? Will it work? Murugan Idli as Peter's Idli. Will it work? Vada Pav was born on the footpath of Mumbai, and the Mumbai lingo is, what? Pudi, Rapchik, Item, Munnabai. You all heard? And Goli. That's why it has to have a Mumbai lingo, and that's why we call it Goli Vada Pav. I used to be in the financial services business and investment banker type. I did a lot of funding for most of the retail people in India and all. One of my clients used to be this Big Bazaar and others, and meeting investment bankers, chairmen of banks, meeting chairmen. 15 to 20 years in a typical investment banking job. I told suddenly one day to all my bankers and my clients, I'm getting into the Vada Pav business. Everybody has kya Goli de raha hai. Nobody took me seriously. That's why the name Goli Vada Pav came on and off. Can you go to the next slide? The power of name. My dad used to work for a company called, can you go behind? Company called Colgate. And we are lower middle class family somewhere in Dombivli. And Kalyanam, marriage. Kalyanam Archa, the Vadyar used to call everybody, friends and relatives to give Painandruva, Anjuruva, Dakshina. You know what? The thing to the bride and the groom. And he used to call everybody. So somebody used to be, Tamilians, how they name. One of my uncles used to work in SBI and they used to call him SBI Mohan. Other guy used to work in Unilever, a friend of friend's father, they called him Lifebuoy Murugan. My father used to work for 43 years in Colgate, he became Colgate Srinivasan. So somewhere what I found, whenever I used to go to school, college, wherever I was in Dombivli, one thing was that whatever little respect, whatever little recognition, whatever little confidence my family or my father had or we had, came from a name called Colgate. We used to come to our native place and somebody used to come and pick us at the railway station and they used to say Colgate Srinivasan Amrita. I used to wonder, what is this Colgate? My name is Srinivasan Iyer and they call him Colgate Srinivasan. The power of a powerful brand. And the same way, can you go to the next slide? Indira Gandhi, if she had married a person called Patel, Indira Patel, how does it sound? Indira Rao, how does it sound? Gandhi was the most powerful name in Indian politics and leadership. And by chance, she happened to marry a person whose name was Gandhi. See the effect. 40 years, 50 years down, still their family is ruling us, isn't it? The power of a name called Gandhi associated with Indira. Can you go? Same way I felt, Vada Pav is a very powerful name. I am not comparing with Gandhi, I don't want controversy here. Can you go behind? And Vada Pav is a powerful space in food category and itself was a brand and it was waiting to be explored. So Goli rode on a brand called Vada Pav. Why I know? Because most of my friends in advertising used to say, Unilever, I am getting into the FMCG space. Vada Pav is FMCG, consumer. It requires a lot of advertising budget. Coca-Cola, how much do they advertise? Huge. Unilever, 700 crores. Colgate, 450 crores. Friends used to say, Venki, enna idu Vada Pav business la pura FMCG, pocket level of paisa irukku. And I used to hardly have any money in the pocket. I said, how can you get into the Vada Pav space? But I had this faith which said, Vada Pav itself was a brand. If I can ride on a brand called Vada Pav, we have done it. So the faith of the entrepreneur is very, very important at this stage. Can you go to the next slide? Initially, Goli used to be small and Vada Pav used to be big. Now, over a period of time, in 3 to 4 years, Vada Pav became small and Goli became big. So we worked. The moment we put Goli, Vada Pav, a huge crowd came. And within a span of 3 to 4 months, we had some 10 to 12 stores. 3 to 4 months, 10 to 12 stores in Kalyan, Dombivli and Ulhasnagar. Can you go to the next slide? Can you go to the next slide? Can we go to this? This is the kitchen where we used to manufacture this product those days. It was a semi or you can fully manual but a clean and sleek 5,000 square feet kitchen. From here we used to make these golis. Goli is, the pre-fried version of the batata vada. Before the gram is coated. Kadla maav podrathukku minadi. Before the gram is coated, that is called the goli. Can you go to the next slide? This was the refrigerated van through which we used to supply. This is the logistics then. Can you go to the next slide? Can Vada Pav become burger? सिर्फ टाइल लगाने से चुम्मा टाइल पोटुटू கொஞ்சம் யூனிஃபார்ம் போட்டுட்டு கொஞ்சம் show a few photographs of Vada Pav, can Vada Pav become burger? If this was so simple, all the Tatas, Ambanis and Birlas would have done it by now. There is something beyond this. We said red means garam garam batata vada, white means cleanliness and green means spiciness, and that logo mustache man means Indian. We are very, very proud that we are Indian. We said we are an Indian brand. Very, very clear. The demarcation was very, very clear. Can you go to the next slide? Our challenges started here. Can Vada Pav become burger? Wastages. Food, the major problem is you prepare 10,000 golis, by evening 4,000 golis will go down the drain. So what is it? Huge amount of wastages. That affects your P&L and balance sheet, isn't it? Who would like to do loss making business? Which investor will come? Second is pilferages. You supply 1,000 goli to your store and the boys will make 1,500 golis out of it by removing small bonda out of it. And they will give you money for 1,000 but they'll sell 1,500. So pilferage was a big issue. It can be broken, it can be tampered. The third was standardization. The mood of the cook or the chef changed, the product taste is to change. So wastage, pilferage, standardization was affecting us like anything. I was losing a huge amount of money. At this juncture, a lot of people will say, Venki, Vada Pav will never become burger, but tu jarur beggar ho jayega. Because the kind of money that we were losing was tremendous. Can you go to the next slide? Our experiments we started with technology. I got some friends, invested whatever little savings I had in ultraviolet rays, the way Amul, some money in nitrogen gas chambers, because the way Lays and Bingos does, they are nitrogen. No, it's common sense. Oxygen se bacteria multiply hota hai. Because of oxygen, the bacteria multiply and bacteria kill the product. And that's why wastage is there. We started putting nitrogen gas inside the chamber and said, can we experiment? By all these things, I had lost a lot of money. My banker gave me most probably 15 days and said, Venki, 15 days, idella seriya padna. Make this all right. Otherwise, close the shop. You are on the verge of being closed down. But when your entrepreneur is passionate, Even when a coffin is put on you, what does he do? He says, one more attempt. Coffin ko thoda sa dhakal diya, takes a deep breath and said, people are saying vada pav can never become a burger. Can we try something else? We said to the people who make burgers for McDonald's in India, it's called Vista Food. And can we go to the next slide? Have you heard about this Mere Paas Maa Hai? We are all from Mumbai and Bollywood, there is a good inspiration. Maybe an MBA book doesn't inspire you, but a Bollywood dialogue can give you an idea. So we said vada pav and burger were twin brothers, isn't it? Twin brothers. So burger is being made all over India and all over the world. They should have a plant. Mother plant. माँ के कोख से आता है ना burger. So we are looking out for a mother plant who was making burgers for McDonald's. Can we go? And while searching the mother of the people who were making the burgers for McDonald's in India, we bumped upon this company which is Vista Food, which is a joint venture of McDonald's and Voice Corporation. And we went and asked them delicately, can you help us? Because you don't go to Mukesh Ambani and say you become my partner. Can you tell? So we delicately asked them, can you help us? And then when they saw what we were doing, the passion with which we had done, somehow they filmed us, interviewed us, saw our vision, sent our photograph or the detailed program what we were doing to USA, Chicago, and within 3 months, can we go? We got a letter or a board of decision saying that we are partners. OSI, which is the largest food company in the world in food, 1928 they established as the food company. 55 they forged a partnership with McDonald's. OSI is world one of the largest food company. 33 countries they have the plant, and they are the largest food manufacturing company in the world, and their partner is Mac. And they became our back-end supply chain. With this, can you go? The destiny of vada pav changed. You have to punch it now. Potato washing, potato peeling, potato dicing, blanching, potato sorting, adding techa formula, mixing, patty making, all started being done on a fully automatic American plant. Vada pav, which was being done on the gutters of Mumbai, suddenly started being done in a 50 crore plant where no human hand was involved. Every vada going through a metal detector and a X-ray machine. Imagine, Bombay के फुटपाथ में वड़ा के अंदर चूहा, बिल्ली, सब कुछ घुस जाता है. And यहाँ पे we had a metal detector, X-ray machine, and no human hand touching it. That's it. And vada pav got its credibility as with American technology. I told in the initial phase, दो भाई मेले में बिछड़ गए. Somewhere the burger and the vada pav met, because on one line the burgers for McDonald's for India was being made, on the other conveyor belt the Tata Vadas for us for Goli Vada Pav was being made. I was sharing this, a juncture was there when everything closed down for us. We had to restart our business in a very new way. Suddenly we shut down and destroyed our kitchen, and the entire production went to outsourcing model. What do you say? Outsourcing. Can you go to the next slide? Vadas made in a fully automatic plant. Pizza, Lay's, Bingo, Colgate paste, Lifebuoy soap, Britannia biscuit are being made with, it's a brown carton. Can you go to the next slide? Manufacturing date, expiry date. Have you seen? A guy eats in Coimbatore and there is something that he doesn't like. We try and find out from which cold room it has come, from which truck it has come, which plant it was produced, who was the supervisor, and from which farm in Punjab the potatoes came. Imagine doing it for a 10 rupee vada pav. Doesn't it require celebration? Can we have? Can we go to the next slide?